Also, they are here celebrating with the area commander because the area commander is doing well. So all men and women is here and celebrating.
Okay, so what can you say about the Igwe?
Let everybody
Where's the son?
Yes, Igwe
so that you will understand where we are
very
going.
nice man. Since he became Igwe as one of Amuwo Odofin, all the criminals have chased away. All the youth have entered into business. So since Igwe is our brother, Amuwo Odofin became Igwe, Amuwo Odofin. We have peace in this area.
What do you wish the area commander?
I wish the area commander long life and prosperity with his family, for him to continue his good work in Amuwo Odofin.
Your advice to Ndigbo General in Lagos?
Yeah, I'm advising Ndigbo General for them to support the President of Nigeria. President of Nigeria, they call him Jagabal. Jagabal is from Igbo, not from Yoruba, but he just answered Yoruba man. No. So let us support him because he's doing well. If you see Alaba International, BBA Trade Fair, Aspanda, all the market in Igbo, trading in Lagos is calm. They do water and the land. So we are very happy to remain in Lagos. Thank you.
For record purpose, your name again and your title.
Yeah, my name is Prince Innocent Tofodile. Innocent Tofodile. Esela Gule, Director of Aquatic Security, and President General of Omobra Youth Forum. Thank you.